A reliable sewing machine can make everything from simple repairs to creative projects easier and more enjoyable. Best Brother sewing machines combine user-friendly features, dependable performance, and versatile stitching options for beginners and experienced sewists alike. In this guide, we'll explore top models that deliver excellent value, smooth operation, and the features needed to tackle a wide range of sewing tasks with confidence. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started. Number 5. Brother LB5500 Sewing Machine. The Brother LB5500 sewing machine is an excellent choice for anyone interested in both sewing and embroidery without purchasing separate machines. Designed with beginners in mind, yet packed with features that experienced users can appreciate, this model offers impressive versatility for creative projects. One of its biggest strengths is the combination of sewing and embroidery functions in a single compact machine. Users can switch between creating garments, home decor items, personalized gifts, and embroidered designs with ease. The machine comes loaded with 103 built-in sewing stitches, providing a wide range of options for utility sewing, decorative stitching, and custom projects. In addition, the LB5500 includes 135 built-in embroidery designs, featuring motif patterns, alphabet styles, and decorative frames that allow users to personalize their creations without needing additional design purchases. A standout feature is its wireless LAN capability, which simplifies design management. Instead of relying on USB drives, users can transfer embroidery files directly from a computer using Brother's design database transfer software. The machine also supports the Artspira app, allowing users to create embroidery patterns on a mobile device and send them wirelessly to the machine. Number 4. Brother RLX3817A Sewing Machine. The Brother RLX3817A sewing machine is a practical and affordable option designed for beginners and casual sewists who want a dependable machine for everyday sewing tasks. Its straightforward design focuses on ease of use, making it an excellent choice for learning basic sewing skills, performing clothing repairs, and completing simple home decor projects. One of the most helpful features for new users is the manual needle threader, which simplifies one of the most challenging aspects of sewing machine setup. Combined with the machine's intuitive controls, this feature helps users get started quickly and spend more time sewing. The RLX3817A includes a jam-resistant, quick-set drop-in bobbin system that makes loading threads simple and efficient. This design helps reduce common threading issues while providing smoother operation during sewing sessions. The clear-view bobbin cover is another useful addition, allowing users to monitor thread levels without interrupting their work. This small but practical feature helps prevent unexpected thread shortages in the middle of a project. The machine also includes an upper thread tension control dial, giving users the ability to adjust stitch quality based on different fabrics and sewing applications. Despite its beginner-friendly nature, the RLX3817A offers enough functionality to handle a variety of household sewing tasks. Number 3. Brother XM3700 Sewing Machine. The Brother XM3700 sewing machine is a versatile and beginner-friendly model that offers an excellent balance of functionality, convenience, and affordability. Designed for users who want more creative options than a basic sewing machine, the XM3700 comes equipped with 37 built-in stitches, including utility, decorative, heirloom, and quilting stitches. This wide variety allows users to tackle everything from simple clothing repairs to more detailed sewing and crafting projects. The machine also includes a one-step auto-size buttonhole feature, making it easier to create professional-looking buttonholes without the guesswork often associated with manual settings. One of the most appreciated features of the XM3700 is its automatic needle threader. Threading a sewing machine can be frustrating, especially for beginners, but this feature helps simplify the process and saves valuable time. The jam-resistant drop-in top bobbin system further improves usability by making bobbin loading quick and easy while helping ensure smooth stitching performance. Together, these features create a user-friendly experience that allows sewists to focus more on their projects and less on machine setup. Number 2. Brother 1034D Sewing Machine. The Brother 1034D sewing machine is a dedicated serger designed for users who want professional-looking seams, clean fabric edges, and faster project completion. Unlike traditional sewing machines, a serger specializes in trimming, sewing, and overlocking fabric edges in a single step. This makes the 1034D an excellent addition for garment makers, home sewists, and anyone looking to achieve polished results similar to ready-to-wear clothing. Built with a durable metal frame and high-quality internal components, this machine is designed to provide long-lasting performance while handling a variety of fabrics. One of the standout features of the Brother 1034D is its ability to operate with either 3 or 4 threads, offering flexibility for different sewing techniques and fabric types. Whether working with lightweight knits, woven materials, or heavier fabrics like denim, the machine delivers strong, secure seams that help prevent fraying. Its impressive sewing speed of up to 1,300 stitches per minute significantly reduces project completion time, making it a valuable tool for users who frequently sew large quantities or lengthy seams. Number 1. Brother CS7000X Sewing Machine. The Brother CS7000X sewing machine is a feature-rich model designed for sewists who want versatility, reliability, and the ability to handle a wide range of sewing and quilting projects. Whether you're a beginner looking for a machine that can grow with your skills or an experienced hobbyist seeking advanced functionality at a reasonable price, the CS7000X offers an impressive combination of performance and convenience. One of its most attractive features is the selection of 70 built-in stitches, which includes utility, decorative, heirloom, and quilting stitches. This extensive stitch library gives users the flexibility to tackle everything from garment construction and home decor projects to detailed quilting work and creative embellishments. A major improvement in this model is the enhanced automatic needle threader. Threading the needle is quicker and easier than ever, reducing frustration and helping users get started on projects faster. The machine also features a jam-resistant drop-in top bobbin system that is simple to load and designed to maintain smooth, consistent stitching. These user-friendly features make the CS7000X approachable for beginners while still offering the performance expected by more experienced sewists. Like the video, hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon.